You're welcome back to this channel. Glory be to God for the opportunity to be doing this video. Today I'm gonna be doing an apartment tour just in case you're coming to Brazil as a student or as a tourist. Okay, so this will give you an idea of how the house in Brazil looks like. So this very apartment is a three-bedroom apartment, and it has everything, the basic needs. When you go to an house, the basic things that you will need, talking about the washing machine, the cooking utensils, refrigerator, chairs, TV. Let's just dive into the video proper. So you're welcome once again. The console, the TV, the fan over there, and the chairs, we met them in this apartment. So it's an American style kind of apartment. That is the living room. This particular place we have right now leads to the kitchen, so there's no demarcation between this place and the kitchen. So this is the dining table, and that's the kitchen section over there. Let's just move towards the kitchen and start from the room that is close there. It has two refrigerators. Okay, we are currently using one, we don't use the second one. It also has a burner, it has a cylinder. All these things you are seeing here, we made them right here in this apartment, including this water gallon. Okay, so this is the kitchen segment of the apartment, including all these cleaning tools. We made them in this place, and there's a clause in the contract that when you are leaving this apartment, everything you met here in good state must be also in good state when you are leaving. Okay, so if anything spoils in the course of you using this apartment, you will have to pay for it, okay, when you are leaving. So if you are coming to Brazil for the first time, and I think it is advisable for you to go for this kind of apartment. So for the first 6 months you're going to be staying, you won't have to bother about buying anything, at least while you get to know the city. Okay, so let's go to the first room. This is the door to the first room. Okay, we bought this reg, they call it reg, the swing that you can use to relax. Okay, it has two foams and a bed, and it has this stool, these chairs, and the mirror. We met everything there, and it also has a very good view. Look at the view. In fact, there's a water body over there, you can see. Okay, so you don't want to, you can as well draw the curtain. So this is the first room. Is good for if you're a student or not. So this bathroom is the one that's going to be shared by maybe a guest or whoever occupies this first room and the second. Don't forget I said that it has two bathrooms. One is enclosed while the second one is going to be shared. Very nice bathroom. It has a mirror too. Okay, everything that you need is already there. So let's go to the second room.